Hey everyone. Oh, the struggles of living on the cutting edge of technology. Earlier this week, Samsung began rolling out the first beta of One UI 7. Unsurprisingly, it's initially available for owners of the Galaxy S24 flagship models, S24 FE users. When the rumors started gaining momentum ahead of the official announcement, I was hoping to spend my weekend exploring One UI 7 on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. But the announcement came and went, and there was no mention of the Fold 6 being part of the beta program. In fact, Samsung didn't mention its flagship foldables at all. Instead, they lumped them in with the rest of the lineup, saying, in line with Samsung's commitment to extend its OS upgrade policy, the update will gradually roll out to other Galaxy devices. Honestly, I didn't expect the Galaxy Z Fold 6 to make the cut for the beta program, especially with all the rumors about delays. It's clear that this isn't just a standard update, as Samsung is introducing more Galaxy AI features, the new Now bar, and enhanced camera controls. Of course, Samsung prioritizes its standard slab phones over foldables, but it still feels a bit disappointing. We're 6 years into the foldable phone era, with Samsung leading the pack in software reliability and utility. So, why isn't the Galaxy Z Fold 6, or even the Flip 6, getting a mention as part of the beta rollout? Once again, it feels like foldable users are treated as second-class citizens, despite having paid first-class prices. Samsung seems fine with releasing nearly identical phones for 3 years straight, apologizing for the lack of innovation, then finally delivering the features users want, but restricting them to select regions. I get that foldables are a niche category. Within that niche, even fewer people would want to install beta software. But here's my counterpoint. If I've already signed up for the foldable experiment, why wouldn't I want to participate in another? It's been over 2 years since I wrote about the beta lifestyle, and not much has changed. Sure, the devices and apps have evolved, but the experience remains the same. Part of this is fueled by FOMO. One UI 7 does bring some exciting features, but I can't shake the feeling that this situation could foreshadow a rocky road for One UI updates. Android 15 went stable in mid-October, and yet, almost 2 months later, there's still no clear timeline for the Fold lineup. If Samsung is already struggling with its latest foldables, what does this mean for older devices like the Z Fold 5 or even the Galaxy S23 Ultra? Here's something else that bugs me. The $850 Galaxy S24 gets the beta before the $1,800 Z Fold 6. Yes, I know why. It's about prioritizing the mainstream models. But it's hard to ignore the disparity. This isn't a company with limited resources. Samsung made nearly $60 billion in revenue in Q3 2024. There's no good excuse for leaving any flagship device behind, even if it's not the best-selling model. Look at Google. They included the Pixel 9 Pro Fold in their first Android 16 developer preview, along with the original Pixel Fold. Sure, some features were missing, but at least they tried. If Google can do it, why can't Samsung? They clearly have the ability but, for reasons beyond my understanding, have chosen not to. What do you think about all this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.